Part C says to state the correlation coefficient. I repeat, we'll be doing more of this in detail in worksheet B, but this was question. The purpose for this question is to introduce you all to those very important terminologies. Correlation coefficient. What does that mean? So that's part C. Let me just copy for it to have the same font. To get the correlation coefficient, you go back to the results. It's symbol R. So remember we said mathematics translate words to symbols. If a particular variable or concept is appearing very often, it can be tiresome writing that entire word over and over. So a symbol was created to replace that word. So the symbol, the international symbol for correlation coefficient is our English R. And I think the English R comes from the word relationship. All right. R for relationship between two variables. So that's why I think they use the English R. Okay. And the English R more or less for Pearson's correlation coefficient because it is more prominent. There are other correlation coefficient, there are other symbols. So if we go in the results, we should look for R. What we have is R squared. So we can square root R squared to get R. R squared is 0.67. Now R squared is equal to 0.67. R squared is the symbol now for coefficient of determination. That's another term that you have to learn in worksheet B. Coefficient of determination. Instead of saying coefficient of determination over and over again, the symbol for coefficient of determination is capital R squared. So just like when you see in two horizontal parallel lines of equal length, you say equal. Whenever you see capital R squared, you have to say coefficient of determination. We learn more of that in worksheet B. When you see a little r, you say Pearson's correlation coefficient. So to get little r, we have to square root. Little r would be the square root of the coefficient of determination. So when you square root capital R squared, you'll get small r. And that will be the Pearson's correlation coefficient. I don't have a physical calculator, but I can simply go Google and ask Google for a scientific calculator. One with the square root sign, square root of 0.67, that's it. 0.819. So here is the Pearson's correlation coefficient is the square root of the coefficient of determination.